Hey, morning everybody. Today we're heading out to Centerville to check out a water service repair. And then from there, we're going to head out to Maryland, WSSC area to check out a sewer repair. Let's see if we can squeeze all this in one day. B-Money! What's up, Brandon? How we holding up?
Yeah.
Nice. So we got a flooded hole? Gee, wonder why. Alright, so here's the game plan. We currently have the water service coming up through the slab right here, right next to the sewer and right next to a sump pump. Nehemiah is proposing to go ahead and reposition the water lines access through the floor right here, bring it up the side of the wall, and then bring it over and reconnect to the water. We got Brandon right here digging up the access for the directional shot from the outside. Machine will be positioned right here, and then from here we shoot right on in to the place where we were just at. That's what we got. This traffic, baby. It's bad to the bone.
They need to merge onto I-295 north toward...
Whew.
The destination is on your right.
Rock stars.
2421 59th Avenue.
That is phenomenal. 40 after the 45. Wow. I bet it was fun digging up here.
Model your last job.
That's a jar?
Yeah, a little jar.
So, all right, this house was...
1878, I think.
No, that's baby.
Nah, this house is like what, from the 60s?
The bottle that
50s?
you find, the milk bottle,
Yeah.
1878.
Whoa.
Oh, yep. Yeah.
What does it say there?
I don't even know.
Any years? Either way, that thing's been in there since the 50s.
50, yeah.
The 50s. You good? Look at that man playing it safe. So what steroid you taking there, Corey?
Shoveling dirt steroids.
You gotta warn me when you're bringing guns to work.